So welcome to Halifax West. We're highlighting for you today our periodic table of Black history. So this is a teacher-led project that we decided to do here at Halifax West for African Heritage Month here. The project was inspired by a teacher in the United States. She did the upper half here of this table in her school. She shared a TikTok video to show what she had done, and then she shared a link with teachers all over the world so teachers could use the same template. So we decided to use her template and then add our own little Canadian flair. The reasoning behind this is we've been doing a lot of work here at Halifax West this year on culturally relevant pedagogy and anti-racism, anti-Black racism in particular. So we've recognized a need for us as a staff to step up, to disrupt racism within our school, that our students are acknowledging that it's happening, and that it's not enough for us as staff to just be non-racist, we need to be anti-racist. So part of that is participating in African Heritage Month in the best ways we know how. So as a science department, this particular project was an excellent way that we could participate and also stay within the boundaries of the science education. So as you can see here, our periodic table is color-coded, very similar to what you would see if you were looking at the actual periodic table of the elements. So each section, like you can see here in the orange, which mimics your metalloid section, your halogens, your noble gases, etc. So if you take a look at the key, it outlines the different colors that represent the different categories of individuals on the table and what their various achievements are. So each color represents things like activists, we have athletes, we have musicians, we have writers. And if you zoom in here on one of the particular individuals, so let's pick Toni Morrison right here. So the table is neat in that the numbers mimic the atomic number of the elements. The initials, obviously, of the individual mimic the initials of the element that would be in that place. There's a description, and then the birth date and death, if that has occurred, are in place of what would be your atomic mass. So it's really a great play on the organization of the periodic table of the elements. So what we've done here at the West to kind of make this our own, very grateful for the template provided by the teacher, is we've added in what would represent your lanthanide and actinide series of the periodic table. So we've added a Canadian element. So all of the individuals in our lower portion of the table are individuals of Canadian descent who have made just amazing contributions. We have a number of amazing Nova Scotians on there, a number of local ones. So our very own beloved Wade Smith, who was a vice principal here at Halifax West and principal at Citadel High. So all kinds of great information. The students are really enjoying it. It's so amazing as a teacher to see kids stop, read it, point out people they know, point out people that they don't know. They've come up with some great suggestions of people that we can add. So we still have room for 10 more individuals in our Canadian series. So students are making some great suggestions for that. They've asked us to leave it up for the rest of the year, which I think is a fantastic idea, so that students can access this information, and that representation for students will be up there all year. So that's it. That is our periodic table of Black history here at Halifax West. Thank you so much.